If you think landscaping is all about plants, think again. Some of the most stylish, low-maintenance yards use landscape rock as a core design element. Today I'm sharing rock landscaping ideas and pro techniques that can transform any yard. Whether you're going for modern, desert-inspired Japanese Zen garden vibes, or a lush flower bed look, let's elevate your outdoor space, one rock at a time. Not all landscape rocks are created equal, and choosing the right one changes everything. Common rock styles you'll see: pea gravel, great for patios, fire pit areas, walkways; river rock, natural rounded stones for borders or dry creek beds; decomposed granite, or DG, modern pathways, great for drought yards; lava rock, dramatic and lightweight, awesome around tropical plants; flagstone, natural stepping stones for elegant walkways; boulders, the statement pieces of landscape design. Think of rocks like paint colors, each one sets a different tone. Big rocks matter, and placement is everything. Pro tips: bury about 1/4 to 2/5 of the boulder so it looks natural, not just plopped on top. Use odd numbers, 1, 3, or 5, instead of even. Size hierarchy matters. Mix one anchor boulder with smaller support rocks. Add plants around the edges for a blended look. A single well-placed boulder can be the focal point of your entire yard. A dry creek bed adds movement, texture, and drainage, perfect for low-maintenance yards. Steps: dig a shallow winding trench, avoid straight lines, lay landscape fabric to prevent weeds, use river rock for the base, add larger rocks at the edges, accent with grasses or shrubs. This looks amazing and prevents pooling water. Form meets function. So, rocks and plants together. Yeah, it's kinda magic. Here are some plant ideas to get you started: succulents, creeping thyme, dwarf conifers, blue fescue, lavender, and ice plant. Just use pockets of soil between the rocks and go for drought-tolerant species. It gives your yard this natural, sculpted look, like modern meets wild. Want a patio without pouring concrete? You can totally create a gravel pad. All you have to do is remove the grass or weeds, install some edging, lay down landscape fabric, and then add about 2 to 3 inches of pea gravel or decomposed granite. It's perfect for fire pits, lounge chairs, or even a dining set. Seriously, it's affordable, stylish, and super drainage friendly. Mulch breaks down. Rock doesn't. For hot or dry climates, rock mulching is a game changer. The benefits? It prevents weeds, holds heat for heat-loving plants like succulents, palms, and cacti, and it's super low maintenance. Here's a quick tip: lay your rock 2 to 4 inches deep, and always use fabric underneath. Clean borders really mean polished landscaping. You've got some great options, like a river rock border along your lawn edges, flagstone edging around garden beds, or even black metal edging with gravel for a modern look. The cleaner the edges, the more professional your landscape feels. You don't need to commit to just one rock. Combining textures actually adds a lot of dimension. For example, black lava rock with a white pebble accent gives you that modern luxury vibe, while DG base with river rock highlights creates a natural, warm tone. Just remember, stick to 2 or 3 rock types max so you don't end up with a chaotic look. Landscape rock instantly elevates your outdoor space, and with the right techniques, you can create a stylish, professional, low-maintenance yard that lasts for decades. So, which rock design style do you want to try first? Comment below, hit like if this sparked ideas, and subscribe for more yard styling and gardening inspiration. See you in the next one. Happy landscaping!